Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect Stripe to Lovable. So if we navigate through the Lovable instructions, all we have to do is to go ahead and tell the AI something like help me integrate Stripe into my application. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and copy this prompt and basically follow the AI's instruction to implement the integration. The AI will help you find and use the correct API keys. So the payment integration will then go ahead and look something like this. So let's navigate through our Lovable application, and from here, let's go ahead and input the prompt, help me integrate Stripe into my app. I'll just hit on the send button. So right after that, once again, the application will leave you the instructions in order for you to connect to Stripe. So in here, you have to let the Lovable know the payment type. Do you want to implement? We have recurring payments or one-time payment. You have this Supabase setup. Do you have a Supabase project connected to the Lovable project? So it can see the Supabase button in the top right corner of your interface. So you can just go ahead and click on this specific button right here, and you will be able to manage your Supabase. Second or fourth, you have the Stripe account. You have to authenticate it, set up the Stripe secret key. Now, once you have your Stripe account, the Lovable need to provide your Stripe secret key found in your Stripe dashboard. So you can just go ahead and get that secret key, and you want to make sure that you go ahead and hide it from anyone. From there, we have pricing. What pricing do you want to charge for your products? Now from there, you can just go ahead and list the prices for your application or product right here. Now for the Stripe integration in Lovable, they typically use Supabase native integration, create edge function to handle Stripe, and you want to open Stripe checkouts in a new tab for the payment process. Now, once you provide all of these details, the Lovable can now implement the appropriate Stripe integration for your application or Lovable. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.